Hello friends, today we are talking about new mobile Samsung Galaxy M33 5 grams Exynos 1280 Octa Core 2.4 GHz 5 nanometers processor with 12 band support for a true 5G experience. 16.72 cm, 6.6-inch, LCD display, FHD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2400 pixels protected by Gorilla Glass 5. Versatile quad camera setup 50MP, f1.8 plus 5MP. f2.2/UW 123 FOV, plus 2MP, f2.4/depth, plus 2MP, f2.4/macro, quad camera vertical bar 8MP, f1.8, front camera. Monster 6000 mAh battery, memory, storage amp, SIM, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal memory expandable up to 1TB, SIM 1 plus SIM 2 plus micro SD. Latest Android v12.0,